Hi everyone, got a cool product here. This is a dual lens endoscope camera. Really great little monitor on this, good quality image. Let's check it out, okay? Let's get to the unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Today's review is on the new dual lens digital inspection endoscope by Teslong. And it's model number M5450, the NTS model. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, it comes with a nice case, I see that. Has a roughed finish on the material. Pretty hard case, it feels like. A semi-hard, yeah. That'll protect it. I like that. It has a carry handle for it too. A lantern for that. So let's open it up, see what's in it. And the first thing I see here is our user manual. Pretty complete. Looks easy to read so far. And next I see we have a 16-foot waterproof snake camera LED ring light. Very sturdy, nice and thick. And we have the charging cord, which is the USB to, USB-C. Very nice, I like that. Let's see how long this is. Oh, it's good. It's like a 3-foot cord, so that's plenty of room there for charging. Okay, let's see what other little goodies we have in this bag here. Oh, okay, so I see a little bottle, and it looks like a little stand in there for the little jack for the monitor, and also 2 ends for the snake LED light. One is magnet, and the other one has a hook to it. Okay, cool. Next, we have the kickstand bracket that mounts on the back of your hand monitor to keep it in the upright position so you can read it easily. That's nice. Okay, let's open this side up. See there. Oh, we have the monitor. And I'll get it out of the package here. This is the 4.5-inch IPS display monitor in 1080. You can see it's plastic, very heavy duty molded plastic. Yeah, it's got that little screw-in spot for the kickstand jack on it. Alright, starting off here we have the screen bracket hole. Next we have the speaker, the reset button, and on the side top we have the camera probe connector. On the back you can see I have installed the removable kickstand. And turning on the side and open this little door, we have the USB-C charging port, the microSD card slot. On the front side we have the snap photo button. Next to it we have the light controlled button, the up and down selection buttons. And next we have the mode switch button, the enter button, which is the OK button, the setting button, the power button. All right, next we're going to take a look at a few examples of how you can use this device for different applications. Okay, in this example, we're going to be using the endoscope to look down the branch of my ductwork, see how dirty it is. So let's check it out. There we go. Okay, here in my second example, I'm going to be showing you how I can use the endoscope for bore inspection on my 450 Bushmaster. And I shot it 3 times, so I just want to see how much bowling is inside the gun. So let's check it out. Okay, here in my last example, I have a hole in my driveway and I wasn't sure if it was caused by erosion or chipmunks. Just wanted to see how the endoscope would handle going down into a hole. So let's check it out. So that's my review on the Teslong dual lens endoscope camera, the 1080p dual camera borescope inspection camera with the 4.5-inch IPS monitor, really nice size. 16-foot waterproof snake camera with the LED ring light on the end of it. Great little camera comes with, and the light is very bright. Also included is a 32 gig micro SD card. It has a rechargeable battery and a really nice carrying case for this. So you can purchase this on Amazon for $89.99, and I'll leave that link down below. This is a great little camera. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. It did everything it said it was going to do and more. You can see the picture quality was really nice, easy to use little monitor there too. So if you think this information was useful in helping you purchase this camera or any of the other products on my channel, I want you to give me that big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell to my right and also your right to get all my upcoming videos, because I have a lot more coming. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.